Welcome back. Further to last week's tutorial around the lift core in terms of waterproofing. This week we're going to take a look at lift core detailing in the instance where we have a ground floor slab and in the instance where gas protection is required. So once again, it's important to remember that lift core is normally a grade 2 environment. So first things first, we're going to move to the layers within the PDF drawing and select grade 2 environment. Secondly, as mentioned last week, we should always be considering waterproof concrete for incorporation within a lift core. Now you'll see within the layer functionality in the labels here, we do clearly define between Hydrocrete and Hydrocrete for DPM zones. Now we're going to select the Hydrocrete for DPM layer, and as you'll see, the extent of Hydrocrete is limited to just a 1 meter perimeter around the externals of the lift pit. In reality, how this is cast is the contractor would cast the ground floor slab as a zone around the perimeter of the lift core in waterproof concrete, and they would then transition into normal concrete for the remainder of the ground floor slab. So assuming this is a gas DPM project, we're going to turn on the layer for the Hydroproof 9000. This is a gas resistant DPM, not suitable for use in areas where hydrostatic pressure is present, but this is installed typically under ground floor slabs. Now the general mindset of an installing contractor, if they don't have to wrap the lift core in a membrane, then they would rather not. We therefore have a solution for this. There is an opportunity to coat internally with 2 coatings in order to provide not only waterproofing, but gas protection too. As you can see on this detail, having turned on the layer for the Hydroproof 9000, we are showing the Hydroseal FX, which is the green line within the lift pit, and the Hydroproof LG, which is the blue line. The reason for incorporating 2 lines of protection here is whilst Hydroproof LG is indeed a waterproof coating in its own right, it doesn't resist negative water pressure. Therefore, being applied internally within the lift pit, where negative water pressure will be present, it's important that the Hydroseal FX is applied first, which does provide this level of waterproofing prior to then installing the Hydroproof LG to provide the continuity of gas protection. We trust this has been helpful and helps to clearly differentiate between detailing principles for gas protection and waterproofing. Thank you.